Hey, Puppy.
Hey, Pup. What are you doing? This is my dog, Merlin. He is 5 months old. He's an Irish Wolfhound. Right now, he's just a puppy. And I'm going to film of what he does every day. Basically all day. Merlin. Hey, puppy. Hi. Ew, you got water all over my pants. They're very calm dogs. There. As you can see, they're very calm dogs. They love children. I have 2 other siblings. Total of 3 siblings. Here he comes right now. Hey, puppy. Oh, yes, I love you. Oh, no, out. 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 He's a very trained dog. There's Julian, one of my youngest siblings. Actually, no, my youngest.